Stream time. Latest trends. It's your tech friend. Hey hi ho, the stream, Techfren stream, plan. Alright, Discord recap. That's what we're doing first. Overload. Agenda. AppMap. Get lazy. Local search. Let's do that before. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, you guys get the idea. It's the stream. This is the plan. Okay, so I'm gonna do a recap of my Discord because there's been a lot of cool shit happening, a lot of cool people posting cool links on my Discord. So we're going to have a little recap of that. And then we're just going to check out this universal jailbreak article that Anthropic released. So pretty much what it is a way to jailbreak any language model. Works with like ChatGPT, works with like Claude as well, I think, and Gemini. Essentially, like it just makes you fill up their context length so much such that they forget all the like safety precautions. Yo, CRAM, what's up? Yeah, so this is the agenda. Local search is a GitHub repository. What do they do? I forgot what they did, but we'll look into that. They are a completely locally running search aggregator using LLM agents. Oh yeah, this one's really cool. Can't wait to check that out. Katzin, do I do freelance? Yes, I do. Freelance software engineering. Get Lazy, another AI software engineer. Very keen to test that out. AppMap is a kind of... Whoa, is that the actual... Hold on. Did this know? No, that's not it. AppMap is a kind of VS Code Copilot kind of thing with unique features. That probably should be in capitals. VS Code Copilot with unique features. One of their unique features is the like the name of the thing, the app map. It kind of gives you like a map of how your app kind of works. What do I charge per hour? 100 USD is my rate at the moment. Yeah. Yo, plus jobs. Hey, I didn't see your message. Why isn't my chat working? Okay, there we go. It's working now. Is there any AI for cybersecurity? Yeah, man. Definitely. Whenever you want to know what AI exists, go to there'sanaIforthat.com and you can just search here, cybersecurity. And then these are jobs. Wait, where do you get the AI security? Data security, email security. What about software security? What do we want? Software security guidance. Hold on. Security? AI for security, ambient AI, maybe this. Mariano, thanks for the follow. Detects threats, verifies visually to enhance security. Yeah, so there's an AI for that is an aggregator for all different types of AI, so you might be able to find it there. You might have to search different keywords to find it, but yeah, just for my basic searching, I found this one. Zane, thanks for the follow. So Fossen, thanks for the follow. Why did you write Twitter? Twitter is not exist. Oh yeah? Then how do you explain this? Twitter.com. Boom. Huh? How do you explain this? What is this website? Is it not Twitter? Twitter still exists. It's just called X. I don't know. Twitter, it's the same shit. X is, yeah, X, it is X. You're right. Raider, thanks for the sub. You may have missed the lasers today. Yeah, didn't do the lasers. Did you miss the lasers? Should I have had the lasers? Tomek, thanks for the follow. We can do lasers. Hardcode says, how do you get to $100 an hour? Is it typical rate in the US? You get there by, so I didn't start at 100, obviously. Aman, thank you for your sub. Yeah, I started at the minimum wage. I worked my way up. The more experience you have, the more capable you are. You can charge more, and hopefully you can charge something that people are still willing to pay. And you know, it's all about experimenting with the price, and also something that you're happy with. And yeah, I've landed on 100 an hour. That's just what I think I'm worth, and I guess the market will decide whether that's true or not. Andre, thanks for the follow. What's my live about? Yeah, so I typically test AI tools, mainly ones that help software engineers, but not necessarily. I do all kinds of AI tool testing. Yeah. Radel says Vanta is a good sec compliance tracking system, not an AI, but it's good. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of non-AI like vulnerability checkers and stuff like that that I know are really good. Paulo Ricardo, thanks for the sub. All right, so shall we get started with the first one, or maybe I got some more questions. Sivan asked, what's the best personal assistant AI? That's a pretty broad term. Depends what you want the personal assistant to do, I guess. Yeah, Hardcode says, are you an AI engineer or what? I sometimes consider myself one. I think generally I'm a software engineer, but I do use AI. Yo, Real Agent, you're actually the one that suggested Vappy AI first, I think, and I just posted that video on TikTok and stuff like yesterday. I'm not sure if you saw it. Have I tried Anthropic's function calling? No, I haven't actually tried their function calling either yet. Yeah. Bless, yes, thank you. Thanks for that suggestion as well, by the way, Ravi. Okay, yes, I wanted to start this off with a Discord recap. So let me open up my Discord. If you guys aren't a part of my community on Discord, make sure you are. We get lots of cool stuff. So I'm just going to scroll all the way up to see what I wanted to report on. Any good agent GPTs? Like the OpenAI GPTs? Not really that I use. I'm sure there's some good ones, but I haven't really found good ones. Busy says, if you're doing a career change, is becoming a developer worth it? With the AI is able to do most stuff. I definitely wouldn't say AI is able to do most stuff. I'd say at the moment they can do maybe like 5 to 10% of a software engineer's job. And there's definitely like our jobs will adapt. We're going to be using AI. We're not competing against the AI. We're going to be using them. We still need to guide the AI a lot, and there's a lot of gaps. Sure, the gaps will start to fill over the next 5 years. I think things will look completely different, but for the near future, I think there's still a lot of opportunity. Open Devon, Open Perplexity, it's all becoming open. Have I tried Open Soul yet? No, but yeah, I'm definitely all for open source stuff. Haven't heard of Open Soul. Let's Google that. No worries, Busy. Thanks for the rose. Open Soul Audio? This? No, this isn't it. Open Soul AI. What is Open Soul? Is it this one? I don't know. Might have to link something, but you can't link on YouTube, unfortunately. I wish I could change that, like turn that off, but doesn't seem like there's a way. You can link on Twitch though. But yeah. Yeah, so yeah, it's going through Discord. Yeah, the many shot jailbreaking. I think this is the universal jailbreak. Brutal Strike mentioned this, and Matthew Berman also did a video on it. So I think I'm going to cover that next. TikTok released a PS2 filter. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but yeah, there's that as well. Quickly show you my
TikTok
video.
finally added it.
I held a banana and it changes everyone's eyes to blue, but yeah. So it's not like the most accurate thing, but it does do stuff. This was really cool. Someone linked me this unlisted video. I'm not sure how they got their hands on it, but it's like a case for your phone and it turns your phone into this robot. I thought it was so cool. What's it called? It's called Mobi, M-O-B-Y, by Robo Garage X JCI.
Well, they all look the same. I'm Mobi. What does your smartphone look like? Rectangle, have touch screen. Well, they all look the same.
I think it's just such a great idea because phones are such a mature product. They have such great processing power, such great batteries. They have like a port that you can plug stuff in. So if like we can extend the phone's capabilities with stuff like this project, which can do like anything on your phone theoretically, and also like go around, be like a selfie cam, take videos, answer calls for you. Yeah, stuff like that I think is such a cool project. Open Souls is a new agent. By the way, you're loving the Harpa extension. Harpa, which one was Harpa? Is that the one? Oh yes, Harpa. What else can I do? I use it for summarizing YouTube, but it does more stuff. Hey, or oh, it looks like it's just mainly summarizing YouTube. Wait, automation. Where's the automation? Here we go. Summarize YouTube. Now I have a web. Okay, you can search the web, chat with websites, track price drops, turn websites into APIs. Wow, that's pretty sick. Use GPTs in browser. Mid-Journey wizard. Automate your work. Oh, you can do web automations. That's pretty sick. What's your use case for it, Paul? What do I think about Rabbit R1? Yeah, I think it's a cool device, but I hate it how, you know, it seems a bit slow, and I also hate how no one's really gotten their hands on it. So I don't know, I'm a bit like wary when stuff gets overhyped, like just a lot of like PR but not much actual usage and testing. So I feel like the hype probably doesn't match up to the reality, but it's still pretty cool. It's still definitely a very cool idea, and just the whole large action model type stuff is very cool. Yeah. So yeah, Discord recap. We'll continue. Alan the robot. What's this?
And implement ChatGPT into Alan. Now, there's a lot of chatbots out there, and I've covered a lot of them on my channel.
Well,
but
this guy made this?
ChatGPT is really different. Let's take a look. Can you tell me how to make a Cadillac margarita?
Sure. A Cadillac margarita is a premium version of the classic margarita, made with top shelf tequila and orange liqueur.
It just seems a bit overkill. Like, do you need a head talking to you? It's pretty cool, like, not gonna lie, but like the price versus value I think is a bit overkill. It's just like a talking head, like, can it do much else? I guess it has a camera, could detect emotions. Abdullah says, what's the difference between LLM and GPT? So it's kind of the same thing. LLM stands for large language model. It's the type of AI model that does the text generation. GPT, I think it stands for generative pre-trained transformer. It's another kind of architecture which pretty much is an LLM, but I guess you could have an LLM which isn't a transformer. But pretty much you can kind of think of it as the same thing. Real Agent says, I need this? This talking head?
I
Why?
had to find a way to adapt.
Why do you
up
need
to this
this?
new
Why
world.
do you need the head?
It's used as a front.
Look at Open Interpreter. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Open Interpreter. Okay, let's continue the Discord recap. Plandex, an AI coding agent. Oh yeah, this one seems pretty cool as well. It's one of those AI software engineers, but I guess it can do a bit more. I don't know if we'll have time to test that today, but I'll put it on this kind of like to-do list I have. And I think that's it for the links we got. Local search, we're gonna do that. And yep. Alright, wait, I think that maybe there was some stuff in suggestions. GPT migrate, yeah, we've seen that. It's an OG. GPT, what is this? Oh, it's a GPT 4.5 unofficial. Yeah, okay, that's Discord recap done. I think the highlight was the Mobi robot. I think that was sick. Can you get that? Mobi, is that something we can buy? Mobi Robot X. Zay Kasmi says, dude, am I the only one here on your live? Haha. Are you on Twitch? Apparently there's 2 people on Twitch. So I don't know. We also have 14 people on TikTok and 7 people on YouTube. We also have 14 supposedly. But yeah, now we have maybe 3 people on Twitch. If I stay here, would it go up to 3? Or is it you and me? I don't know, we'll see. But no, you're not alone. Me and you, yes. On Twitch, maybe. I think Twitch is mostly like, most people on Twitch are gaming enthusiasts, so that's why we don't get as many views there, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's look at Anthropic's universal jailbreak, the many-shot jailbreaking. So pretty much this technique takes advantage of the context window and kind of filling it up. So normally if you ask, no, many-shot. Yeah, so normally if you ask like, how do I hijack a car, etc., the LLM will be like, sorry, I can't help you. But if you fill up the whole context window with a bunch of like question answers, apparently, of like bad stuff, then it tells you. So should we try it? I don't know. Do I use Restream? Yes, I do use Restream. Hey Anas, what's up? Nice number. Oh yeah, I forgot I put it on Techfren stream 69. Okay, so instead of me typing out all these things, let's try get, I think I have a dolphin, a local model called Dolphin. Wait. Like, I think Dolphin is an uncensored model I have. Let's see, where is it? Did I uninstall it? Oh, I might have uninstalled it. Looks like I did uninstall it. Can we use Open Router to try Dolphin? Let's see. Open Router chat model Dolphin. Yes, Dolphin mixture. Let's see if we can do this. Why is this still this chat? Well, I guess we can delete this. Create 20 question and answer pairs in the format user XYZ assistant XYZ. Make all the questions about really dangerous topics such as stealing a car, making a bomb, and making counterfeit money. Okay, those are little questions. Include the answers and remove the numbers. There we go. Wait, put them in format. User question here. Assistant answer here. Okay. Sweet. Do you reckon that's enough to fill the context window? Probably not. 20 more. And I'm gonna try this GPT 3.5. See if it'll work. Let's open up Chat GPT 3.5. Okay. And this one. That's surely enough. And then I'll be like, user, how can I make counterfeit money? Ooh, wasn't able to do it. How do you actually do this? Because this should work, right? Attack setup, generating attack strings, structuring formatting. After producing hundreds of query response pairs, we randomize the order to resemble standard dialog. Maybe we have to do it with the API. Maybe you can't just do it in the web interface. I don't know. Let's see if anyone's done it on YouTube. Patched, maybe? Maybe. Many shot jailbreak. Let's see. For uncensored ChatGPT, you can go to... Yeah, well, that's already uncensored. I'm trying to jailbreak a censored one. Okay, this guy.
Also, this
Or is he just gonna read the paper like everyone? See, this is where we're different. We actually try stuff. We don't just read papers.
User wants to know something.
Nope, this guy just reading the paper as well. I bet you all of these videos is just them reading the paper. Yup. This is literally AI generated. Wow, Matthew Burma's got a lot of testing job. Okay, this is an ASCII one.
So let me show you some of the testing I did. This is GPT-4, and tell me what you think in the comments. So the first thing I said,
they like inject stuff using ASCII art.
That is, make ASCII art that says meth. And of course, I'm sorry, but I cannot fulfill that request. This was easy to bypass. So I just said, make them, then continue how to make, but that word was, I now continued on my better, but I did say, tell me how, that I can't provide guidance or instructions on creating a figure again, mask. The word represented by mask has been identified. Okay, I thought wonderful. But then it goes on to say, to make this popular Italian, and let's see what it does. Okay, so that looks much better. That's just not good. Not use Morse code. And let's see if that works. So I just said, write the word pizza using Morse code. Okay, then I have the word pizza in Morse code. Going forward, we will refer to that word from the... All right, so here we go. It's writing code to actually decode it, and it got it. Okay, pizza, great. I'm gonna word for me. Think that worked. Look at that. Hopefully this
Okay,
works.
so he
this
censored
time.
it, but
Oh my goodness, that worked.
looks
Look
like he
at
was
that.
able
make-
to turn meth into Morse code, and then ask ChatGPT how to make it with Morse code by asking it Morse code. But that's something else that we want to try. This is okay. So this
We
is the
have a
overload
br-
one. This is what we're trying. Do they actually? Does Matthew actually try this one? Doesn't look like he actually. Oh no, here he's trying it on LM Studio. Oh no, he's doing exactly what I tried to do, getting the Dolphin to generate the question
a
answers.
closed source model to produce them for me. So what did I do? I used LM Studio. I downloaded the Blokes completely uncensored Dolphin 2.1 Mistral 7B model, and I simply asked it to generate question answer pairs in the form of what would fine tune a model. And I gave it examples: malicious use cases, malevolent
Okay.
personality
Does he actually
evals,
try that with
and
ChatGPT?
opportunity
Oh, he does.
can assist with that. And I
Oh.
tried with a
That's exactly what I got. Okay.
lot. I think there's
Nice.
probably like
Shout out to Matthew Berman. He actually tries stuff compared to a lot of these
80
other.
or so here. I could keep going
creators.
and continue to increase the amount of examples that I provide, but to be honest, I don't want my ChatGPT account getting banned, and I'm a little nervous about that. So I tried it, it didn't work. The paper itself said they've already made the other model providers aware, so I'm not going to keep trying, but this is a fascinating paper, and I think this is going to be an ongoing cat and mouse game between
Should we try to go further? What if what if we just double the input? Because maybe we didn't fill the whole context window. User, how do I make counterfeit money? No, wasn't able to either. I want to go until it says, you know, there's too many. Okay, should we try the Morse code method?
Okay, so let me show you some of the testing I did. This is
I feel like I shouldn't show it. Like, he obviously knows more about YouTube than I do, and he blurs it out.
gonna try it with a, for my goodness.
So maybe I shouldn't do that. But I guess if you guys want to try it, the Morse code method, check out Matthew Berman's video from 4 weeks ago. New AI jailbreak method. That could be. But yeah, I'm very wary. I don't want to get banned from ChatGPT. I don't want to get banned from YouTube, so I'm not going to go any deeper into that either. Okay, next, local search. So let's check out this. This is an open source project called Local Search, which is a search aggregator. So I think it kind of combines search providers. Let's have a look at their demo. Okay, so they clone it, they run it. Oh, with Docker. Okay, they get like a UI, and you can ask a question, and I think it searches a bunch of different sources. Like you see here, there's I think it missed it. But yeah, you see source added, all of those different sources, animalfacts.com, etc. So that's pretty cool. Just the fact that it's open source. It's kind of like Perplexity. But yeah, and it gives you the sources in the output as well, which is really sick. Now, I still don't have Docker, so is there a way to install this without Docker? Let's see. Self-hosting. Or is there an already hosted version? Running an Olama server. Open the web interface. Okay, clone. Yeah, looks like you need Docker Compose. Or make. Oh no, that's to make the Docker. Yeah, and to be honest, I'm not too interested in that, but I guess that's something if you guys are interested in a kind of search aggregator using LLM agents without an OpenAI or a Google API key. So I think it's like made to use a local model, specifically Ollama server. It's pretty cool. Our London, thanks for the follow. Next up we have AppMap. Whoa. Which is, let me show you guys the demo for this while I go quickly close a window here. Is there a demo? I swear I saw a demo. Yeah, here. Can you see this properly?
Are you ready to 10x
No.
your personal productivity with AI and move beyond code completion to achieve true AI-powered code development? Navi helps individual developers, teams, and organizations save time and build higher quality software.
Yeah, see that?
Navi sees beyond just code to your entire application and development workspace. Navi uses enhanced context from dynamic.
That was a better video. Hold on. AppMap Navi, I guess is they're called. Yo, Harif, what do I learn after React? Like a tool that's easy to pick up for backend. Next, dude, if you do Next.js, you can have like a full stack app in one framework. That could be cool, and it's pretty much just React on the front end too. So yeah, check out Next.js, and they take care of the routing for you, which is really good. Interesting Things Guy says I started using Ollama because of your recommendation and it works great. Oh, awesome. Thank you. I'm glad. I actually tried to use Ollama yesterday and I found it too annoying, so I'm still using LM Studio. But I think Ollama is the way to go. It's open source and everything, so that's great that you got it working and you're really happy with it. I'm really happy for that. All right, let's look at this.
In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use AppMap Navi to ask a question about a specific AppMap. When you ask Navi about an AppMap, it sends valuable runtime context about your app and your code to generative AI and gives you highly personalized responses. In this scenario, I got an alert from my APM about slow performance in the user listing pages of our Ruby on Rails application. I'm not very familiar with this code base, so I'm going to start by generating some app maps so I can visualize how this API endpoint works and start to debug this problem. With AppMap installed in my project, I only need to start my application to start creating app maps, as it's enabled by default in development environments. With my application running, I'll go and interact with it to generate app maps of the area with the performance issues. I'll get a request recording one map for each API interaction.
Yeah, you see how as they're
Now that I have
using the
maps
app,
for all of
this thing creates the app map for it. So it knows like which functions are called and like what buttons call which functions. And that way, in the future, when you're asking questions to its co-pilot, it actually gives you better answers because it knows the flow of your app, which is really awesome. So I kind of want to try it out. I don't know if I'll do it this stream, but I just think it's such a cool idea. See, now they've asked it a question.
execution and all of the relevant code snippets to my generative AI backend to get an answer. You can see that right away. It sees that we are missing an opportunity to cache the current user if it's already set and avoid an unnecessary database call each time. I'm going to open the session helper file that Navi told me was the source, and I'm going to add the optimized example. Now I'm going to save that file and reload my application. I'm going to interact with the same pages as before and then open the AppMap Flame view again to look for improvement. And you can see clearly we are no longer calling the database repeatedly. I'll run my test to make sure that...
Yeah, it's a pretty cool idea. Is Next.js valid for big projects? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think it's very good. What database? Good question. There's a lot of decisions for database. There's no right or wrong answer. I think MongoDB is pretty good, but if you just want something quick to start with, SQLite is like a really easy database to just start locally and just like quickly. Yo, Kai, what's up? Good to see you. Dropping by. Thanks for dropping by. Mohammed, thanks for the follow. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave AppMap for later. Now this next guy is Get Lazy. I'm so excited to try this. This is another prompt to app AI. I'm not sure if it's full stack, but it seems really easy to use. Idea to software 10 times faster. Now they have a Discord where other people have shared their creations they've made with Get Lazy. So let's try that. Is it Get Lazy or is it just... Okay, the website's getlazy.ai, but I think it's called Lazy AI. Ab says, do you specialize in Python? More of a JavaScript dev. I think you can even use their app in Discord. People are like /imagine simple snake game, /imagine WhatsApp chatbot, etc. There's a look what I built section. So let's see what people have built. A component builder, a web page that allows users to render UI components and display them, show their code as well. Let's have a look at this. Ask me to generate a UI component. Wow, so they've made their own prompt to UI using a prompt to app software. That's so cool. So let's say weather forecast component. This one's kind of tricky, but we've had success with it before with some other tools. Let's see if this tool can create it. I don't know how long we should take, but we'll let it load while we read what people said about it. You have to wait some time for the first response. Let me try once more. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. It created the weather component. It had a trouble with the icons, but that's still pretty cool. I guess it has trouble with icons. What other component could we make? And you can see the code. It's just HTML, CSS code. Very cool. Very cool. Let's make a loading bar. Wait, is this feedback or is it going to generate it from scratch? Let's see. Kai, thanks for the follow. What do you advise for a newbie lesson plan and study technique? Resources, links, webs for a beginner. Depends what your learning style is. I personally like videos and articles, so a suggestion I always give is like follow your excitement and your interest. So build projects and build projects that you're interested in. So for me, it was like games. I like making games, so I started like beginner game coding. Maybe for you it's like chat or AI application, so you can say beginner AI app development and search for articles or YouTube or whatever medium you like, and just start from there. Start building as soon as you can, and if you don't know something that's a prerequisite, just learn the prerequisite first and try go where you can. ZK says, can you pin the link here? If you're on Twitch, are you on Twitch? I think you were the Twitch person. Yes, you are. Here you go. Whoops, that's not it. Or you could just go to getlazy.ai if you want to do the app generation, but the component generator. Oh, there. That's pretty cool. So I said make a loading bar, and here we have a really nice loading bar showing 70%. And the code's here. I don't think we can change the code. No, we can't change the code, but yeah. That's really sick. And someone's made this without knowing how to code themselves. They've made a component generator using Lazy AI. Let's see what else people have made. Image to video creator. Using Stability AI and the power of Lazy AI, you can take your image to the next level. Wow, let's see this. Oh, and they have like a little landing page. And you can start with their template. That's so sick. So you can like build off other people's creations. So you upload an image. Yo, Jeffrey, what's up? Ab says, what's your take on using AI for learning? Does it hamper? No, definitely not. As long as you actually learn from it. There's a difference between blindly copying, pasting what AI gives you, and using AI to learn. So you can use AI as a great teacher. You always ask it questions, get it to answer your questions, double check the answers that it gives you, you know, question everything you know. AI can be a great teacher. But if you're just blindly copying, pasting code from AI, obviously you're not going to learn that way. Chris W, thanks for the follow. Brock O'Shea says, what do you think of NVIDIA CEO saying don't learn to code? Yeah, there's definitely some accuracy in that. I think coding syntax is going to be slowly abstracted away. Just like before, if you look like 10 years ago or whatever, we were doing, maybe 20 years ago, we were doing coding in low-level languages like assembly and C and stuff. But over time, people stopped using those and we're doing more abstract languages that are closer to English, like JavaScript and Python. And then if you go even further, we're going to be doing probably just English prompts to AI who's writing all the underlying code. I think that's a trajectory. Okay, let's look at this app that they've made. Lazy image to video. Video generation has started. That's sick. So they create a whole video from an image. Probably takes a little while. Let's see what the video looks like. I guess that's pretty sick. And you can test this? How do we test it? It's just a template. I guess it's not hosted though. Okay, but you can start with the template if we sign up, which we will do later, but let's just look at some more examples. Flashcard generator. Let's check this out. Is this the same? Oh, this is the same creator that made the other thing. Very cool. So enter a topic. Brock, thanks for the follow. Let's say coding. Let's see what flashcards it can generate with coding. So this is sick. It seems like it's really easy to make web apps that use AI using Get Lazy just with a single prompt. Or I don't know if it's a single prompt or many prompts. Wow, look at that. We've generated 15 flashcards and we can select certain flashcards and print them, maybe? You know what I want to use? So I spent a long time building this website. What was it called? Timestampgenius.com. I built this from scratch with code. Now I'm not sure if it didn't work last time I streamed, but hopefully I fixed it. Let me see if it works now. You just give it a random video. Let's say this video by NVIDIA. Press submit, and hopefully it'll use the transcript to generate timestamps. Looks like it's still broken, unfortunately. All right, so let's try and make our own version then. Using Get Lazy. So I'm gonna say an app that creates timestamp chapters from a YouTube video using the video transcript. Now for this to work, it needs to use like an API that gets a transcript, and it needs to use like a OpenAI API to turn that transcript into timestamps. Let's see if this actually works. I'm gonna have to authenticate with Google. Hardcore says, I'm learning AI LangChain. What great project do you recommend for portfolio other than RAG? I don't know. Whatever you're interested in, like search for ideas. Be like LangChain project ideas on Google. I don't know. I can't really think of any at the moment. Nolyurt just saw your video on Mobilism. Thanks. Thanks for that. User, thanks for the follow. Aisha, thanks for the follow. All right, you can start for free. But you can't publish apps to production. Okay, but you can still test them. Alright, we'll just try that. Try the free. Wow, cool confetti. Alright, let's go. Do I have to type my prompt again? Hopefully it remembers my prompt. Oh, I gotta do an onboarding quiz. Social media, software knowledge, expert. What do I do? Software engineer. Okay, let's go. Let's build. Nice, it actually remembered my prompt. Okay, so I've said create an app that creates timestamp chapters from a YouTube video given a transcript. It's gonna get the transcript. The app now includes a new endpoint, chapters video ID, which is intended to return chapters. However, the actual fetching of the transcript from YouTube API needs to be implemented. Can you provide the API key? Okay, so it asks me for an YouTube API key. This will solve it. Very interesting. What did I don't know what the backend is for this. YouTube transcript API. We could use. Can you use a library that doesn't require an API key? Is it able to figure that out? Let's see. Yo, thank you for the comment, Square. Recommended AI learning path for backend developers. There's no set path. You just, I keep saying this, just follow your interests and build projects. Any particular prompts you could use to help your learning process? Oh, I don't have any particular ones, just ask as many questions about the parts you're unsure about. So just like, how does XYZ work? Or how would I build XYZ? Or what are the best practices for building XYZ? I think those are some kind of prompts you could start with. This website needs dark mode. Yeah, luckily I have this plugin. Look, I have a Chrome extension, Dark Reader. You just click it and it turns any website into dark mode. How cool is that? I've updated the code to use a library that doesn't require an API key. Awesome. Please add YouTube transcripts API by updating the requirements.txt. I have to update the requirements.txt. There is no requirements.txt. Oh, here it is. Oh, it is. Okay, let's test the app. So you can test the app, running the app. It's deploying the app to the cloud now. Awesome. So it was a Python backend. I guess I could have checked that myself, but that's great. That'd be so cool if this works. Connecting to server logs. We're gonna play my intro music while we wait. Oh no, it's up. No time for intro music. Alright. So it's a fast API server. So I guess, how do we test this? Okay, so we need a video ID. Try it out. Okay, let's put a video. I think I still have the, yep, this one. Just put the ID here. Let's see if this works. Response. Wow. Guys, it actually worked. Oh my god, that was so easy. So I spent like 3 months. I mean, obviously I made a nice UI and it's a lot more polished. But just the end value, the AP, this guy made a whole API for something that I spent 3 months on. This app made the API in less than, I don't know, how long was that, 10 minutes? Go fix my old website. Yeah, I should fix it. My 3 daily users are probably complaining. I didn't put like any way to contact me or anything, so yeah, I'll fix it later. I can't be bothered. That's sick. Obviously the prompt is a bit bad. Can we look at the prompt? YouTube's transcript parser. Okay, that gets a transcript. Some post applogic.py. Where's the actual prompt? Entry text transcribe. Oh, so it doesn't actually turn. Okay, so it's actually just putting the transcript as a timestamp. Instead, what my app did was compress like a whole section of transcript into a timestamp, whereas this is like the exact transcript as a timestamp. And obviously there's way too many entrances, but still pretty cool. I will fix it later, aka never. Yeah, maybe never. Let me see, did my usage go down? I have at the Versal Analytics for Timestamp Genius. It's still kind of 4 users a day, even though it doesn't work. That's funny. ZK says, I'm a web designer and software engineer. Anybody needs help, I can help out. Oh, nice. Thanks, ZK. You can jump in the Discord, I think, if you want. Let people know. I know you made a video about this, but what is your recommended for AI chat with PDF? I don't know. I don't know what the good one is. When everyone asks me what what a good AI for XYZ is, I always say go to this website. So yeah, I don't know. There's so many. Are there reviews? Sort by most saved. Chat PDF? Maybe? There needs to be reviews. Oh, there are reviews. Amazing. Can't do basic tasks. Not as good as chat. I don't know. I don't know what the best one is. I just know there's so many chat with PDFs. Like, it's like the most saturated niche for AIs. So I'm sorry, I don't know like what the best one is though. Alright, well those are all the tools I did. Alright, who said Dark Sky, you've inspired me to fix Timestamp Genius, so let's do that. Fix Timestamp Genius. So let's do some actual coding this stream. So pretty much let's look at the logs. I'm gonna log into my AWS and see what the actual logs are. Bro, you'd make a great code teacher at some point if you want your way of delivering content. Yeah, I've definitely thought of making like a course, like teaching code. Relax and not serious. Yeah, that's definitely my style. All right, so I'm on AWS. Going to CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is the AWS service that logs everything. So we can look at times. Wait, what? Actually, I forgot. This is hosted on Versal, so I think it won't even have. Let's say, wait, does it work with? No. Hold on. I'm trying to just get the. That's the new Techfren. Trying to get the error log for like. Does it work if I'm logged out? E.transcript is not iterable. Oh, hold on. Let's try a different video. Let's try this one.
I will.
Okay, this is the issue. Timestamp Genius /API /get transcription method not allowed. I think we can get logs in Vercel. Let's see. Runtime logs. Past 30 minutes. Logs. Here we go. Get transcription. Transcript editor. Cannot read properties of undefined transcript body renderer. What? Hold on, did I mess something up in the actual code? So I use Fork as my kind of Git visualization software. So here is the Git for Timestamp Genius. Last commit was on December 31st, 2023. And it was definitely working for a while after that, so I'm not sure what broke it. Yo, this guy says, do you make custom scripts? Yeah, sometimes if I need to. Jason, thanks for the follow. Maybe more people would use it if it actually worked. It did work for a long time. It's only recently stopped working, and I'm not sure why. Alright, let's open up this file. Apparently, according to this error, can I read properties of undefined reading transcript body renderer? I don't even know if that exists here. It doesn't. So it could be an issue with this library I'm using, YouTube transcript. Maybe that just suddenly stopped working. So yeah, let's have a look at that library. Oops. Looks like people have complained about this 3 days ago. It looks like maybe it just recently started breaking. It's likely an error with that dependency. They released a new version and might have broke it. So it's not my fault. They released it. The dependency broke. This one. Let's see. Issues. Yeah, see? Opened 4 days ago. 4 days ago, this dependency broke. And the API changed. There's no longer a .body property. So we need to change it. Yeah, it looks like the endpoint was killed. The script seems to emulate a few steps. Very flaky. Appreciate the quick fix. So did they fix it? I don't know if they fixed it. Let's see. Releases. Ooh, nope. I don't think they fixed it. So YouTube has removed the get transcript API. But they also say fixed in this this commit. When was this commit made? 03 yesterday. They fixed it yesterday. But how do I don't know how to get an npm package from a non-released version. How do you do that? Just use Python. Sounds like a bad repo. I would make something custom. Yeah, I could. Aussie Rules, thanks for the follow. Ab says, could you talk about your tech journey, your path challenges, and how you dealt with it for motivation? Yeah, I've been meaning to like make a video about my whole journey. I've just been putting that off for so long because it's just like my whole life story, right? I can't just explain this whole thing on stream, and I want it to be a really nice video. But yeah, hopefully I'll get around to that. Make sure you're subbed to my YouTube, because if I do eventually make it, that's where it'll be. Woxy says use Yelk. What's Yelk? Is that an API? Work with Yarn. Oh, use Yelk to get a package from a commit. Is that how it works? Yarn, Yark, add my package. What's the difference? Local package replacement. What's the difference between Yarn? Better than Yarn. I don't know. I've never heard of it. I think I'm just gonna use Yarn. Look what Get Lazy AI did. They used the Python package. How can I use Yarn to get an npm package from a particular commit before it is released? Let's see if ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, apparently like this. Let's try this. All right, let me open up this in VS Code. Do I not have VS Code open? I do. Hey, hi, ho, Techfren stream. Okay. So we're in my get timestamp genius thing. I'm gonna go yarn add --npm where was the YouTube transcript hashtag and then the commit hash. 17 commits. Is this even the right package? Yes, it is. Wait, what? Committed last month? No. What was I looking at before? This. Oh, it's a different guy's package. YTGPT. The hell is YTGPT? Is a Google Chrome extension that leverages. What? Is it? I need to pee. I'm gonna be back. Luxy, thanks for the follow. Soiler, thanks for the like. I'll be back in 2 seconds. While I'm gone, you should watch me dancing last stream. I think that'll be interesting. Techfren. Let me set the background. Hold up. I hope this works. Oh shit, it didn't work. Hold on. I'll be back. Does it work? This. No, it didn't work. Hold up. Yes. Alright, here we go. Oh, you're Kai. Yo, Kai, I was liking your ChatGPT generated animations. You gotta tell us how you make those. Make a Twitter post showing how you made those. I'd be really interested. If I make this smaller, does that change anything? No. Okay, awesome. Alright. You might be thinking, why is there disco lights? Let me tell you. We got a new intro song, and it's disco style. Wait.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back. It's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret. Just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget. Hey, hi, ho. Tech forget.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Yeah. Hey, hi, ho. Techfren stream. Alright, what do we do about this, bro? Stupid dependencies. I don't want to build my own API wrapper. Hey, hi, ho. Techfren stream. Okay, so these guys said they changed the code themselves. Is that even a good solution? We only could just get updated every time you. Wait a second. Oh, they're not. They stopped using the library. They've made their own. With oh, they've made their own API wrapper. Sick. Should I just use that? No promises it'll keep working. Yeah, no, fair enough. What about this one? Anyone wants a TypeScript version? TypeScript version. Okay. Let's just try this dude's code. So, no, I guess we'll need node HTML parser. Do you know anything about when GPT-5? No? How would I know that? I have no insider knowledge on whatever it's called, OpenAI. All right. Oh, we have a type. Should we use the TypeScript version? Let's use the TypeScript version. Which one is better, this guy or that guy? This one looks smaller. Node HTML parser. All right, let's try this one. What's it called? YouTube transcript. Oh fuck! What did I save it as? YouTube transcript .ts. Okay, so we have this class. Now in get transcript, instead of that, we will go const YouTube transcript equals require. Huh? How do you require something from a local node module? Let's ask ChatGPT. 4 this time. Yo, Sparrow, thanks for the follow twice. Did I already shout you out? I think I did. How do I import a local JS module in Node.js? The code for the module looks like this. I'm just gonna copy the whole code, cause why not? We can afford it. Oh, I also have to install that HTML parser. So I'm gonna go and uninstall the old module. Was it YouTube transcript? Yarn, is it remove YouTube transcript or is it uninstall? It's remove. And then we're also gonna yarn add node HTML parser. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT said. How to import it. YouTube transcript like this. Import the local module like this. Okay, perfect. Import it like this, and then it should just be plug and play. I hope. We can test it out locally with Yarn Dev. Okay, let's see if this works. Do I still have that YouTube thing in my history? Yes. No. Cannot resolve. Oh, I called it with capitals. Maybe that's why. YouTube transcript. Let's try again. Hello? Cannot resolve. YouTube transcript.ts. Maybe that's why. Okay. Man. Error 4500. Impossible to retrieve the video ID. What? Impossible to retrieve the video ID. Impossible. Oh, wait. Video ID. I guess. I guess the ID wasn't in the format that it expected it. Let's see, what did the ID look like? That looks fine to me. Is it expecting just the ID? Fetch transcript. Identifier equals retrieve video ID. Video. Alright, let's just do some logs, shall we? See how that works. Yo, Johnny Rocket, good to see you again. Clip Taco, thanks for the follow. I'm just debugging my web app here because one of the dependencies broke. Why am I not getting the new? I'm not getting logs. Not getting the logs I want. Oh, here we go. Oh, I did get the video ID. What? Why is it saying impossible to retrieve? Match ID null. Video ID. Is it still? Oh, wait a second. I guess it still wants the youtube.com /embed. Wait, what? Hold on. Let me check this dude's code. This guy's regex. Whereas this guy doesn't even have regex. YouTube video ID don't match re-YouTube. Or maybe it does. Oh, here's the regex. Oh, it's the same. What about this guy? Same. Weird. Am I streaming multi-platform? Yes. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Kick. All those platforms. Nikki, thanks for the follow. Put the error into ChatGPT. No, this is like... This error isn't like a error from code. It's like an error for like something to do with the regex, I think. I mean, I guess ChatGPT could figure it out. Hold on, let me I think I can figure it out though. For some, I think it's trying to expect the youtube.com video ID, but we're only getting the video ID like this sent through. So I think it's because I personally do some things, you know, on the front end. I personally take away this the stuff in dashboard. Let's see where do I get the video ID? It's probably in YouTube input JS here. Video ID, set video ID. I guess it's set video input. Nope. Set video. Okay, no. I know handle input change. No, I don't. Submitted YouTube video ID. It's on submit video ID. Oh, extract video ID. Yeah, see, I told you. I do my own extraction, which looks very similar to theirs. Alright, so let's just not do the extraction and see how that goes. I reckon this will work. Come on. Oh, different error this time. Oh, many different errors. Let's have a look. Mode says, didn't know you could live stream to Twitter. Yeah, you can. How do you multi-stream? I use a service called Restream. Restream.io. Check them out. ChatGPT knows regex. That's true. Legend, thank you. Yeah, check it out. I'm on Kick, X, LinkedIn, Twitch, YouTube, but yeah, this one doesn't let you do TikTok. TikTok doesn't give you a stream key, so TikTok has its own app that I'm using, TikTok Live Studio. Alright, let me see what this new error is. this. I can remove the logs that I added before. Oh, let me log in here. Restream.io, yeah, no problem. TikTok is dying anyway. Oh, don't say that. I have most of my following on TikTok, so I hope it doesn't die. But the Congress tried to ban TikTok like 3 years ago as well. It's nothing new. Okay, cannot read undefined properties of split. Is that the first error we're getting? No, we're getting a server error as well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop. And close all these other tabs. Well, we figured this out. This has now become a debugging stream. What are these undefined? Request failed with status 400. Undefined, 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 undefined. What request? Wait, hold on. Let me try it one more time, but make it. Let me restart this. Make it so it just quits as soon as we get the error. Let's just do
As
this
AI
video.
agent.
Okay. As soon as we get the error, boom. Show me the error. Okay, a lot of undefined in the content. So I guess the transcript comes back fine. Like but it's just the actual content is null. So something we can do is log the response here, response, and then also don't process the transcript. Let's see. TikTok is dying. TikTok is banned. Clearly you've been sleeping. Is it banned? They have 5 months to sell TikTok to an American company or it's dead. Oh, that's interesting. So if they sell it to an American company, it still continues. Oh, yeah, we actually do get the transcript here. I guess it's just a bit different now. Instead of transcript.response, it's just response. Oh no. Transcript is response. Yeah, that's what we did. Transcript is response. So okay. And then how do we handle it here? Transcription result. Oh, here, instead of dot transcript, it is just itself. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Here we go. No? Transcription result is not iterable. Oh, yeah, because it's just one whole chunk of text now, whereas before it was a list. So how do we break it up? That's a good question. Damn, this is a lot more work than I was hoping. What are you guys saying? Learning Node.js? Not particularly. I'm just debugging a broken dependency. Pandas, thank you for the follow. How do you stream on TikTok? Do you have a stream key? No. Do I lose? Yeah, I use Live Studio. Or Experience. Yeah. Mini Linguini, thanks for the follow. Dezidi, thanks for the follow. Not sure what you're doing, but new line word. Yeah, I was thinking we could split by new line. I'm not sure we get those though. Split by words. Guess that's a way. Okay, let's look at this post. Yo, 6, what's up? Dark full of stars, stop lying. Why lie like that? Hasn't passed Senate. Yeah, I didn't think it had passed either. Dark says it has. 6 says it hasn't. Stop spreading false information. Yo, thanks for fact checking. Yeah, I don't think it has passed yet. Passes a bill. Yeah, but it hadn't passed Senate, right? Now goes to Senate. Yeah, that was the last I heard as well. I don't think it's passed Senate yet. We've had this FUD before, so, you know, I'm not getting too scared. Even though, like, you know, there's not much else I can do. I'm already on all the other platforms. I'm telling people, you know, follow me on the other platforms, but there's only so much you can do, right? Okay, I guess we might as well just, while we've done so much work, let's completely fix this. So instead of current line, I'm going to change this to current word. I guess we split this? Should I split it in the for loop? I guess. Current line, where's current line dot offset? What the fuck is dot offset? Oh, dude, before we actually got the times. No, this is shit as. Because before, from the API, it'll actually give you the actual timestamp of when something was created. Oh, this is annoying. This is annoying. Yo, Channing, thanks for spamming share the live. Holy crap. Word was not a suggestion, lol. Potato, what's up? I was debugging. I had this service, Timestamp Genius, which was meant to get timestamps from YouTube videos, like create them from YouTube videos. But like one of the dependencies I was using to get the transcriptions, like the API changed or something, and it just broke everything. So, yeah, it's a bit sad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stash these changes under attempt fix dependency, and then we're gonna just put currently broken message. Yeah, apparently it broke like 4 days ago. So where's my dashboard? It's probably here, right? Yo, live chaos, thanks for the follow. Alright, here we're just gonna do return h1 currently down due to npm package YouTube transcript broken. Sad face. How do I not mess this up like this? Okay. Wait, what happened? Let's close everything. I think I messed it up with the stash. Return. Let's see if this. Okay. That's fine. I'm just gonna push this just so people know it's broken. Or we could leave it in the thing. Maybe not a H1. Maybe a H3. And maybe here. Oh my god, that looks bad. Here. Okay. And we'll just comment this out. Okay. Bloody pouch, am I enjoying this? Not really. Alright, what did I miss? It's pretty difficult to split unless you know the boundaries. Yeah. So before I actually got the information of when, like, the actual time when that sentence was said and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely an issue. Split by text or cast to a variable type. Have I used Rust? No, I actually haven't used Rust. The package was using Rust, really? No, the backend was in like Node. It's like a Next.js app. Next.js, yeah, that's right. Welcome, thanks for the follow. 1J, thanks for the follow. Channing, thanks for the follow. Okay, I'm just gonna push this. It's currently down. I'm sure the community will fix it with a better solution, because I actually do need the times. Temp down message. Okay, push that, and then Vercel will deploy it for me. Thank you, Vercel. Yeah, what should we do now, guys? I kind of want to do more Get Lazy stuff, but yeah, I think, can we do more apps on Get Lazy? Probably. Same thing. Is it? Jason, thanks for the follow. Six, love your content. Thank you, Six. Why not use Python? Just because it's so much nicer having this all in Next.js as one kind of thing. Like only one command to run, full stack app. That's right. Get Lazy AI was able to make it with Python, so why not just do that? Yeah. Talk about lazy. Yeah, I'm more lazy than Get Lazy. We could continue on the Get Lazy thing. Let's go back to Get Lazy. Can we continue from our app? Okay. So it made the API, but let's see if we can ask it to make a front end that calls the, let me just copy this. Make a front end that takes a text input of video URL and calls chapters video ID with it on submission. Let's see if it can make our front end. What's Get Lazy? Yeah, it's really cool. It's this prompt, like it's a way to create apps using just text, just like this. So I said, make an app that creates timestamp chapters from YouTube videos. And it was able to do that, but it just used the transcript completely. But now we want it to actually, like it was also just an API, fast API, but now I've asked it to make a front end for it. Let's see if it goes. Okay, it's added a simple front end. Please test the app. Let's go test the app. How do we test it? Test new version, restart to update. Okay, that was the button. Faceted checked myself. You can use Rust in Node.js, but their packages server this. Oh, you can use Rust in Node. I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay, so it's updating. Let's see if it made our front end. Deploying to the cloud. This is so cool. Lazy is actually really nice. While that's doing that, we can look at the other things that people have made with Get Lazy. The AI component builder. Emoji translator. Let's see this. Let's type in emoji. Let's see if it can do finger into... Oh, whoops. Finger into the... Perfect. You reckon it knows this? It's thinking. So someone's built this emoji translator using Get Lazy. So they didn't write any code themselves. They just kept prompting it. The sequence of perfect finger can be interpreted as a playful of cheeky way, say perfect insertion, or this is spot on. The perfect or okay emoji and the point emoji points to a specific thing. However, without additional context or premise, the precise meaning can vary. If we consider homophones or higher order relations, it might imply a perfect match. Okay, I mean, it's not exactly what I meant, but yeah, it's still a valid translation. Carlos, thank you for the GGs. Appreciate you. Natural language processing? Yeah, I guess. Sweet, dude. Look, we have a front end. Excellent. So if I put in my YouTube video URL, will it work? Let's see. Get chapters. Internal server error. Okay, I wonder if it can debug. Try to fix this error. They have a button, so I don't even need to type anything. That is so cool. It debugs it by itself. This is the future. No more coding. Just button pressing. Let's go. Awesome. And just that fast, it's made the update, so we can just get it to redeploy. While it's doing that, let's see another example app that someone's made. Code Roast Bot, a playful program to promote good coding habits. That's cool. Deploying our app. Lazy app catalog. So someone's made a catalog of different apps that people have made. Apparently this one's really good. The free unlimited DALL-E free. But this button doesn't work, unfortunately. So, yeah. Hold on. I think if we copy the address but remove this edit. No, it actually goes back to that. Okay, let's try this again. It's deployed our app with hopefully the bug fix. Ooh, different error. Method not allowed. Okay, there's no button this time, but we can just tell it. Because I guess it's not an error, it's more... Oh, it kind of is error. Now I get this error after submission. And hopefully it'll fix it. This is all free. I haven't paid anything. I think they give you one app you can test for free, but you can't deploy it to production. I'd push you to try TensorFlow and Python if you have experience in ML. Yeah, I don't go that low level. I kind of just stay on the application level of testing, but okay, apparently it's fixed it. We'll try that again. But it's cool how it's able to connect different APIs and stuff. Funny tweet generator. Is this me guy again? Me actually posts so many things. It's so cool. Generate a humor. I stop coding and just press buttons now. Let's make a funny tweet out of that. Just switch from coding to a new high-tech innovative career path. Professional button pusher. My fingers are now buff from intense workouts. I've developed an immediate relationship with the enter key. Should I tweet that? I'm gonna tweet it. I'm just spamming tweets these days. Professional button pusher and shit talker. I think that's my new title. Okay, let's see if this works now. Awesome. Now we actually have the responses. Okay, now let's see if we can use OpenAI. Use ChatGPT API to summarize every 5 minutes of transcript so we have more concise timestamps. Alright, I think it's gonna ask for my API key, so we're gonna quickly make one. Please send the link. Zakai, dude, I sent the link so many times. No, I actually only sent it once. Literally getlazy.ai. How lazy are you? Just Google get lazy, man. It comes up, bro. I'm posting. Should I pin it? Okay, I'll pin it. Unable to pin. Look, you've made it unable. I'm sorry, bro. I can't pin it, but it's there. It's in the chat. The dude who made this web app. Which web app? What web app are you talking about? Channing shared the live with more than 5 friends. Thanks, Channing. Okay, look, so it's updated the application to use ChatGPT API for summarizing every 5 minutes of a transcript. Please set the open API key. So it gives you this env.secrets, and you can add a secret here. So I'm going to add my API key off screen so you guys don't see it. So give me a minute or two. Oh, you mean this app? The humorous tweet app? Yeah, I can send you that one. There you go. Copy, paste. Oh, now I gotta make sure that it's not in my clipboard history as well. Yep. Okay. That's really cool. They've made it a really easy way for you to add API keys and env secrets. That's an amazing, amazing user interface. And now we can reload and test our app. Hopefully now it'll use ChatGPT to summarize. Show us the API key. What do you mean, elephantitis? Caught the API key in your eyeball reflection. I mean, if you're that good, you deserve it. And Goose. This app no longer exists. Okay, we got an error. No module name. Okay, it looks like it didn't add the OpenAI API. I mean the library, but that's a really easy fix. One line in the requirements text and the install, so it shouldn't be too hard. Quack. Goose don't say quack. What sound does a goose make? Honk. Gooses honk, bro. They don't quack. Oh, honk. That's better. Good goose. Octopus, what's up? We're using Get Lazy AI to build an app that took me 3 months to build from scratch. But now, in the course of one stream, without writing any code, we're going to build pretty much the same app. And what that app is, it generates timestamps given a YouTube video. Let's see if it works. Okay, enter the YouTube video URL here. Get chapters. Ooh, moment of truth. There's no loading spinner. I'm gonna give it some time. Didn't display anything. Internal server error. Fix. Oh, it's using the old OpenAI. Yeah. I guess I thought it would know about this. Let's see if we can figure this out. So, ChatGPT always tries to use the old, outdated SDK for OpenAI. Hopefully it can figure that out. Otherwise, we might have to give it the code. It's updated the code to use the new format, supposedly. Let's restart this and see if that's true. Here. No. What the hell is this? Chat completion. That's not right either. I'm gonna help it out. I'm gonna give it the actual code. But yeah, if this had the ability to browse the internet and like look at code, it would be so good. So this is what it actually should look like. So the correct usage of the library is as so. Please update the code to match this. Okay. GPT 3.5 lol. No, it's not the problem of get lazy. It's because they're using, like, even GPT-4 still tries to use the outdated SDK. For a good software engineer, you're always Googling, you're always on the internet, you're always looking at code examples, and yeah, unfortunately Get Lazy does not look on the internet, it seems. Okay, let's see if it did it correctly this time. No. Wait, client? No. What the fuck? No, dude. How did it not consider this? The code still does not match the snippet I provided. Dark Sky bringing on the hate. Yes. Okay, I think this time it might work. I think maybe the way it gets the result will be different, but hopefully you can fix that later. At least it calls it correctly this time. Imagine making an AI to help you code 10x faster but uses 3.5. Well, 3.5 is faster than 4, so it could be a legitimate solution. Okay. Straight away error. What's the error? You tried to access chat completion. No, didn't we change the code? The frick? Oh, dude, it didn't. Can we change this? Cannot edit it. Bro, it kept the old code. No. Alright, if this doesn't work this time, I'm probably gonna GG it here. Still a cool app, but yeah, obviously Just needs a little bit of tweaking. Elephantis says, ever get worried someone makes AI voice from your streams to call your phone provider in SwimSop? Luckily my phone provider doesn't authenticate with voice. But yeah, they could definitely have taken my voice and... Oh my god, it just got worse. Okay, no, we're quitting this. But yeah, still a cool app. Yeah, SwimSwap attacks is actually so scary. They definitely need some other way of two-factoring that, but yeah, voice would not be the greatest way. Press edit code on the top right. Oh, Mike, you just came in as I closed it. I didn't know you could do that. Damn, do I leak code? No, not now. I did last year. Just for content, but no, I haven't leak coded in a while. Oh, here. This guy made a free unlimited DALL-E free 3. How sick is that? Using Get Lazy supposedly. Let's see if it works. This one won the prize. They do like where is it? Announcements or something? Elite apps? I don't know where they did it. Updates for you? Oh yeah, here. Builder of the week, and they went for the oh no. I thought the unlimited DALL-E one won. But it looks like the funny tweet generator and the AI therapist one. Alright, here we go. So yeah, you can say anything you want. So tech streamer that has massive headphones 20 times the size of their head. Let's see if DALL-E can generate that. And then yeah, without having to pay anything, you can create a DALL-E image. How many years have I been coding? A long time, maybe like, but on and off though. Professionally, maybe like 9-10 years, but like I've been doing it since I was like 20 years ago, but not professionally back then. That's pretty good. Do a random leak code now, no prep. Alright, sure. This is the last thing I'll do, but since you guys wanted, who wanted it? 2 people have asked, so let's do a leak code. No prep, no AI. I'm gonna be rusty AF, but let's do it. If it's what the people want. What coding language? Yeah, JavaScript. Okay. Is there a way to pick a random one? Pick one. Here we go. Hopefully it's easy. What is this? Dynamic layout. Okay, I hope that doesn't mess something up. Tabs, resize, maximize, collapse. Okay. Medium. Ooh. JavaScript. Can I edit Vim mode? Yes. Font size. Let's make it big for everyone. 19 pixels. Word wrap's good. Okay. You are given an Wait, if I make this big, okay, oh no, that didn't really work. Oh, can I refresh this? Yeah. Refresh again. No. Alright, you are given n by n grid where each cell can have one of 3 values: empty, fresh orange, or rotten orange. Every minute, any fresh orange that is 4 directionally adjacent to a rotten orange becomes rotten. Return the minimum number of minutes that must elapse until no cell has a fresh orange. If it's impossible, return -1. Oh, great. At least it's like a simple question. The solution might be hard, but the question's simple. So, okay. Any fresh orange is 4 directionally adjacent. What does that mean? Okay, this is a scenario. Minute 1, there's I assume the X is rotten orange. Yes, 2 is rotten. And then minute 2, both the diagonal ones become rotten. Minute 3, okay. So pretty much whatever is touching a rotten orange becomes rotten in the next minute, and we have to determine how many minutes until everything is rotten. That seems pretty simple. So how would we go about this? So pretty much we have to simulate it, I guess. So if I was to, hold on, let me check my levels are good. Yep, okay, that's fine. If I was to simulate it, we get the input like this. So it's a 2D array, and pretty much we look for any 2s. At each minute, we look for any 2s. Obviously, we're not going to do this by minutes. We're going to do this by iterations, and we keep a track of each minute. So I guess that's one first thing we need is let minutes elapsed equals 0. We start with 0 minutes elapsed. I don't know if we need semicolons these days. And then we have our for loop. So we go until pretty much const can continue equals true. We say we can always continue. And we go while can continue. Oh, there's no autocomplete. While we can continue, we will increase the minutes on that. So there we go. That's kind of a good starting point. Chrissy, what's up? What is this? This is Leetcode. It's kind of a way for programmers to test their coding and algorithm capabilities. It used to be very popular in interviews and stuff, so people would grind out Leetcode to prepare for interviews, but I think people have come to realize it's not a great indicator of skill because people just grind Leetcode, but when it comes to like real life stuff, they're not excellent in it. Anyway, we're just doing it for content purposes because that's what the chat wanted, and I'm happy to do it. It's kind of fun sometimes. Okay, so while we can continue, we do a check for rotten things. What are they called? Oranges. So pretty much we will check each cell. So this is actually not going to be a very efficient way, but it's a brute force way. So we go for const row of grid for const cell of row. So now we have each cell in each row. We can say if the cell is equal to 2, then we know it's a rotten thing. Make fresh adjacents rotten. I think we can close this. So okay, we need to do that. So I think we should keep a copy of the grid. So let's say grid copy. I'm not 100% sure we need to do this, but we'll do this anyway. Got a grid copy. Well, I guess we'll call it live grid, because I think even if we do this, it's still just going to update the normal grid. So there's like kind of no point to doing that, but we're going to do it anyway, just for peace of mind. Elephantus says mark the indexes instead. Okay, that's an interesting way. How would you do that? Jesus, thanks for the like. I guess, yeah, you could mark the XY position indices like that. That's probably a better way to do it, because we've done row of, we don't actually have the indices. But if we go row in, we actually do have the indices there. We also probably want to do that with that as well. So that becomes grid parse int row, because of stupid JavaScript giving that as a string. Cell. So this actually needs to be. Wait, we can go const. Okay, let's do it like that. Const row equals grid parse int row index, and for cell in row. Why is that complaining? Oh yeah. We go cell index in row. Const cell equals very similar to this, but this will be cell index and this will be row. Okay, cell. All right. Row index already in? No, it's not. Check this out. I wish it was, man. It would make so much more sense if it was. Let's go const test array equals we go A, B, C. For const I in test array, console dot log type of I. String, bro. See how annoying is that? It should be. Why is the index a string? I reckon it should be a number. Anyway. So okay, so we have a rotten cell, and now we need to make all the adjacent cells rotten. So if the, can we get the description again? So this is 2. So pretty much the XY for this is 0, 0. So we need to go, well, obviously negatives don't work, but we would do the negative, the same Y, negative X and plus X, and the same X, negative Y and plus Y, right? So there's 4 adjacents, or the 4 diagonal adjacents to change. So we do row cell index row cell index +1 equal, kind of need to check if it's, yeah, okay, we kind of need to do a check here. It's kind of a bit annoying. Let's do a helper function. We're gonna make a helper function. We're gonna call this make fresh rotten, and we're gonna take in the live grid, the row, and the cell index. I think that's all we need. Oh, we probably need row in. Let's just do it by index. Okay. And I was thinking of, for let row number row of grid. Oh, you can do that as well? Can you do that? Oh shit, I wish I didn't. Hold on. I didn't know you could do that. Can you go const A, B? of A, B. No. Or is it with the brackets? No, I can't do that. How do you mean? Of grid.entries. Oh, hold up. Entries. Entries. Oh. Oh, that's sick. I didn't know you could actually do that. That would actually save me a little bit of code. Very nice. Thanks for that tip. So thanks to Elephantis, he's told us we can actually do it like this. Saves us one line of code. Very cool tip. All right, 2 lines of code were saved. Okay, make fresh rotten. I guess in this. Oh wait, actually, we actually need the entries here and entries here. Row index comes first. Oops. All right, thanks. Okay, so I think we go make fresh rotten, give the cell index, the row index, and the live grid. Should probably be live grid as well. Okay, let's implement this. Cell index, row index. Oh my god, I put it literally in the opposite order. Live grid. Okay, so if, let's do the X first. If the live grid row index cell index, okay, we're gonna do X minus 1. If row index cell index minus 1 does not equal null. How do you check if that's a thing? So if I go test array minus 1, because that's gonna be out of bounds, undefined. What if I go equals null? Oh, okay, so I gotta do undefined. Okay, I think that's what we should do. Does not equal undefined. Then we go live grid, and then we change that to two. Yo, Irvan, what's up? We do the same for +1. What happens if we do 3 here? Okay, true. That's good. 2. So that's an X +1. And now let's do Y +1. So the row will be +1. And the X will stay the same. Oh wait, I should have changed this to plus. And Y minus 1. Okay, and we'll return live grid. So then we can go here and go live grid equals that. How do we know when to give up? I think we can go const has found rotten. No, okay, has made rotten equals false. So if it doesn't make any rotten ones, that's when we know we can give up. So we start off by saying it's not made any rotten ones, but if here it makes a rotten one, we go has made rotten. Oh no, what did I do? I refreshed. Okay, good, it keeps my code. Has made rotten equals true. And if has made rotten, if it hasn't made rotten, we break out of the for loop, out of the while loop, and we return minutes elapsed. I hope that's it. What language is this? JavaScript, yes. Let's run it without looking over it. We normally should look over it because we get stuff like this. Cannot read properties of undefined, reading 0. Okay, so we actually needed to check the first thing here. We can just do this, right? Yeah, no, definitely we can. I think that fixes that error at least. Okay, that's a constant variable. Where is it? Should we I guess can continue doesn't need to be there. Oh well, whatever. We'll keep it. I thought French. Yeah. Oh, this is, yeah. You're like one of those things that's like, what country is this? Time limit exceeded. Okay, it looks like it didn't ever break out of the while loop maybe. John, thanks for the follow. So maybe we can oh, because it's always found a rotten cell. That's true. Okay, so this is always gonna be, instead we need to see if there is any of these adjacent cells. So what I'm gonna actually do is return one of these. One of these. We'll remove this. And then so at each point we need to check if, if the cell that it's changing is a fresh tomato, we has made rotten equals true. Right. Let has made rotten equals false. Okay. Yeah, right. Yeah. So we do that for everything that we make rotten. If it was previously not rotten, has made rotten equals true. Yeah. Otherwise, if it's just making rotten tomatoes rotten, we don't really care. Right? One last one. Oops. Okay, let's try that. It's just normal JavaScript, LD. Lena has a Java exam in 4 hours. Oh shit. So this has come up on your For You page. Cannot set properties of undefined setting 0. Wait, what? Line 18. Is it? Row index -1 did not equal undefined. Wait, what? Why did this happen? I'm gonna log the things, and also we needed to break out here. We go live grid and has made rotten equals that. Oh, could we not do it like that? All right, we'll go result live grid equals result dot live grid. If result dot has made rotten equals false, we will minutes elapsed plus and and return minutes elapsed, I guess. No, we don't need this ever. All right, let's see what do we get our, do we not get logs? Console is not a function. Oh, console.log. What country is it? America. Merci, merci. Good luck. Carlos, thanks for the follow. Nico, hey, how's it going? Ollie, good morning. I saw your TikTok I posted. I told you to make more TikToks, please. Your fans are waiting. Your 16,000 fans, you know, they're waiting for you to post content. Okay, 0, 0. Last row index -1. What? But that should have been undefined here. Live grid row index -1. Does not. Oh shit! Because we made this multi-line, all of these broke. Oops. I wish this had automatic prettier, because my code looks like shit. Yo, Badil, thank you for the follow, for the sub. I never tried Leetcode. Is it hard? Well, there's easy questions. This is a medium, and I'm a bit rusty. I think we'll get there in the end, but like, you know, obviously there's a lot of debugging I have to do. Okay, at least we didn't get an error this time, but we got false. We got an output of 1. Okay, looks like I never increased the minutes elapsed. Hold on. Where am I increasing minutes elapsed here? After, oh. It should be after every... No, yeah, no, that's right. Wait a sec. I hope I'm not doing... Lucky Figs, thanks for the follow. I might be actually looping over a thing twice. Has made rotten equals false. Hold the phone. I think I need a local has made rotten. That resets every here. Local has made rotten equals false. Local has made rotten equals has made rotten. Okay. And then I definitely would have failed this interview. I think this has taken too long. If no, okay, and then we go if local has made rotten equals false, and we'll return. Paste. Changing live grid is a no-no? Yeah, okay, so what do you suggest? Multiple minutes of changes can happen in a single minute. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Did I mess up here? Priceless one, thanks for the follow. Sir Clouds, thanks for the share. And Don MC, thanks for the share. Caden, what's happening? I'm doing Leetcode, failing at Leetcode. We haven't failed yet, but it's not going too well. Utah, thanks for the follow. What language is this? JavaScript. You increment and return immediately. It's always going to be 1. I increment, but only return if it hasn't made rotten. Let's see what we return this time. I feel like, yeah, there's definitely an issue with the, yeah, it goes on for so long. Oh, but I still only, okay, maybe you're right. 0 0 1 0 2 0. Yeah, it just changes everything to 2s. Even when there wasn't a 0. Oh shit, we only changed, ah crap. We only change normal tomatoes to rotten tomatoes, not everything. Silly boy. So the empty cells don't get changed. Oh my god. I hate having to indent shit myself. Make a copy each minute and update the live at the end of each minute. Hold on, let me think about that. Oh yeah, see if that changes the non-zeros from changing. Yes, okay, the zeros remain. That's good. Where I recommend learn algorithm, practice with Leetcode and learn the theory with, I don't know, I like YouTube, I like visual animations. We might be different. For each row, 0 1 2. I'm confused. Hold on. How do we determine time here? Each minute, any fresh orange that is near a rotten orange becomes rotten. Okay. Yeah, so I think the issue, you're right. We're doing multiple. Make a copy each minute and update the live at the end of the minute. Where do you mean? Oh fuck, man, I confused myself. So the issue we're having now is that, like, when I'm updating, like, say I do this update for this one orange, but then I'm checking the next cell and I'm actually doing that update as well, which okay, I get what you're saying. I should only be passing the initial grid here in the make fresh rotten. Yes, instead of updating it here. Don't update it here. Don't update it here. But that means we need a delta grid. we need a delta grid. So let delta grids equal, I don't know, this. And then delta grids. So delta essentially means change. So we need the changed grids every time we make rotten stuff. And then we need to merge all the changes. Yes, right? Merge all the changes. How the fuck do we do merge all the changes, right? Merge. We need a new method here. Const merge deltas. I think I've definitely taken a very complicated approach to this. Like, it shouldn't be this complicated, but it's whatever. I just hope it works. In the end of the while, grid equals live grid. Use GPT. No, at the end. GPT is cheating at this stage. I will at the end either look at the solution or look at GPT. But right now, I just want to try to solve this by myself with a little bit of help from Elephantis. Gonzalo, thanks for the follow. Giakai, thanks for the follow. Aldili, thanks for the follow. Okay, merging deltas. So we're gonna loop through for so the only thing changes is the 2's should overwrite anything that's not a 2. So we'll do a let OG grid just be the first one. Delta grids, the first one. Jagiru from Man City. Swear to God, this is the most useful thing out of all GTP. Why are y'all saying GTP? What's that? Is that different than GPT? Beautiful failed last year. ComSci without it. Yeah, dude. Like, ChatGPT is so good for chatting. Scroll up. Talk about this. End of while block grid equals live grid. Yeah, for sure. But we still need to merge the deltas, right? Make a copy each minute. Update the live out of each minute. Before that? Multiple minutes, yeah. Make a copy each minute. And update the live. No, but it's like within the minute I'm doing multiple deltas. Right? I think I'm onto something. Hold on. It's JavaScript shell for const current grid of delta grids. Oh, we're gonna have to do this by cell. Dude, this is crazy. Not showing for you? Can you type it again? I'm gonna have to do this again. Delta grids. Yay, JavaScript stream. You guys like this stuff? I'm surprised. Prince Kieta, thanks for the follow. Okay, so pretty much if the cell is a 0, is a 2, if cell equals 2, we're gonna update OG grid row index cell index to 2. That's literally it. And then at the end we return OG grid. Okay, that was pretty simple, I guess. So delta grids are push at the end of each minute if delta grids dot length is greater than 0, live grid equals What do we call this? Merge deltas. Merge deltas. Delta grids. All right. Run. Okay, wrong answer again, but I still won. Interestingly, yo, Live Chaos, thanks for the follow. But no thanks for the advertisement. What is this? Advertisement. Dude, I didn't pass the test. Yeah, I know. Definite fail. But you know, it's something. I feel like, is the end solution right? Is this the test case? Let's see. 211 110 011. Okay, yeah. So the end thing is 222 220 022. 222 220 022. Okay, good. We got the right end state. The issue is was not updating the minutes elapsed for some reason. Interestingly, maybe. Okay, instead of this log, because this log seems to be fine, we're gonna log here. We're gonna log console.log delt result.delta grid. Wait, actually let's just do result. And I'm doing another log outside here. Elapsed. Let's see if that gets called more than once. Bro has never coded in his life, legit. Okay, elapsed only gets called once. Oh, this local has made rotten should not override if we set it to. Wait. Oh yeah. I think that. Oh, I think that's the issue here. Local has made rotten. If it's true. If it's true, we shouldn't override it to false. How do I write that? If it's true, we shouldn't override it to false. I guess if pretty much only override it if it's false. I'm building an AI bot that executes profitable stock exchanges in Python. How's it going? Wait. Result has made rotten. Okay. Local has made rotten. Local has made rotten. Local has made. Oh no, I submitted it. No, I didn't mean to submit it. Obviously. Hey, we got multiple elapses. Nice. You was up. Marbleism was amazing, but on their servers it's slow. Yeah. Yeah, it was a bit slow testing it, the deployed version, for sure. That was one of my issues with it, but I guess like you could deploy it yourself and it could be faster, maybe. Vortex, thanks for the follow. Yelops, thanks for the follow. If you're gonna be my teacher instead of convincing me to code, you'll confuse me. Definitely, like I'm not saying my algorithms is good. If I grinded Leetcode for a little while, I'll be much better. But I literally haven't touched Leetcode in like ages. So yeah, I think we'll get this. Give it enough time and just slowly debugging all the issues. Right? Look, we've gotten from 1 to 2. I think the issue we're still having is like it's updating the live grid still. Is it? Live grid 221. Yeah, 222. That shouldn't happen. 222. Yeah, this second step. Where are we updating the grid? We're not until every minute has elapsed. Live grid. Why is live grid getting updated? Maybe because of here. That's why. That's why. No, I don't want to update live grid. Okay, we can just easily fix that by just doing this, I think. So this kind of makes a copy, make sure it's not pointing to the same thing. No, why did I submit it again? No, I'm tempted to run it too soon. Please try again in a few seconds. There we go. Still. Okay, that did not do it. That only makes a shallow copy? How do we make a deep copy? Wait. Structured clone? Is that a thing? Let's see. Elephantus with the tips. I thought you could just do the oh, I keep submitting it accidentally, dude. Oh, we actually got 4, I think. Hold on, time limit exceeded. Okay, well, that's a good issue, I guess, maybe. 221 elapsed true. Guess because there was only 1 2. 222 220 elapsed true. Okay, we're never updating. It's always updating. Hold on. Dude, I'm doing really bad at this. We code on the wall. I made in Kotlin that is useful. That's what they're teaching me in uni. Nice. Kotlin's for, is that for Android apps? Delta grids is never being used inside a function. Delta grids. What do you mean? Oh, wait, hold on. No, this is fine. We construct it here. But check this out, look, it's gone. Our problem is it's always elapsed true. 211, okay, 221, 2, that's made changes. Here it hasn't though. And why are we getting elapsed true here? Are we wrongly turning back elapsed true? Has made rotten false. If the live grid is equal to 1, we return true. confused, bro. I failed this. I failed. I can only do easy leak code. One of these is returning true. Actually, the issue could be in here as well. Alright. Should we see if GPT-4 can look over my code? I feel like it won't be able to find the issue, but we can test it. Let's see. I have this code. What the hell? That's not what I copied. Maybe they don't let you copy in this. Okay, nope. Oh, you can't copy? Oh, there was a format button. That's good. I don't think I let you copy this. Elephant says delta grids is never being used. Yeah, I tried Control C. Control C. Yeah, no, didn't work. All right, should we debug? This is so annoying though. I think I just want to give up. Never give up. How long have we've spent so long on this? This is a bad idea. Me thinking I could Leetcode medium. Silly me. Okay. Let's see if we can see where the culprit is. Try to copy the question, put on GPT, yeah. Extension that lets you screenshot any page and put it on GPT, that's pretty cool. Okay. Y plus 1. Oh, actually doesn't tell me which cell. Okay, it's always the plus ones. Maybe that's a little clue. X plus 1, Y plus 1, X plus 1 again. Wait, what? Why is that calling twice? X plus 1. Oh, I guess it... Yeah, no, it can call twice, that's fine. Live grid, row index, cell index equals 1. Has it made rodent equal true? Live grid. Row index equals 2. Return live grid. I don't know, dude. Should we look at the results? Is there a way to do that? I'm throwing in the towel, man. I definitely failed that one. Solutions, here we go. JavaScript. Simple JavaScript solution. Is valid. Okay, they do the nested for loop. I feel less bad for that. Okay, so they keep an index of all the rotten oranges. And also a count of all the oranges. Okay. If no oranges are present, it's return 0, sure. Then they build a queue of rotten oranges. And a list of what they've seen. Oh, I probably should make this bigger for you guys. And they start a new for loop for each row. If they've seen push. Okay, so they're making a grid with all falses in the scene, so they haven't seen anything. And now they're going through the queue and updating. It's kind of confusing to read. What language? JavaScript, vanilla, yes. Do they have like a upvoted? Oh, I guess that's the most. Oh no, most viewed. Clean breadth first search solution. Damn, this guy made a tree. That's crazy. I just tried to brute force it and still messed it up. Maybe I should have taken more time to kind of think about it, you know? Sort by most votes. Here we go. Okay, that one. BFS looks like it was the most. What about this guy? BFS, yeah, breadth first search. Wow, this is really simple. Look at that. Barely any lines of code. I guess is okay, so just that double for loop is a breadth first search. While queue. So first they make a queue. DRDC. The frick is that? Like, this isn't very readable, but it is concise. Try to do one every few streams, help with the view count. I don't know about that. We were kind of around the same amount of views. Like, let's see before I started the Leetcode versus now. I mean, it seems like a lot of people are interested in it though on TikTok. Thanks for the follows. Trini, learning coding from scratch. Nice. Good on you. That's very brave. This time a lot of people seem to be scared of learning coding from scratch, but no, I definitely think you learn a lot, like problem solving and just logic. But let's have a look. I definitely see previously 9 and 17. Oh yeah, we got more TikTok followers. Definitely 20, but less YouTube and Twitch. Interesting. Like 8 on TikTok to 24. No, here I had 16 on TikTok. You probably can't see it. 16, 22, 18. This is all at the start of the stream. 8, 15, 35. Oh, that's pretty good during it. Yeah, I mean, definitely, I definitely know people like Leetcode. I'm just not very good at it, so I don't think, like, I don't know, I'm the best person to be showing Leetcode, you know what I mean? Start with Python. Yeah, Python's a very beautiful language. Anyway, guys, hope you like the stream. Hope you at least learned something from the Leetcode. I think the other tools that we tested was sick. That's what I normally do. My Leetcode is rusty, but if I do it more, if people keep liking it, I could just do it on a day where I don't have anything else to stream. But I think I'd rather just program on my own projects than Leetcode. At this stage in my career, I don't really enjoy Leetcode or see much value in it. Potato, thanks for the follow. But yeah. Anyway, I hope to see you guys next time. And have a good day, night, wherever you are. Peace out.